How to hide apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can hide apps on Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, it depends on what Android phone you're using, because every Android phone and the manufacturers has their own operating system. If you're using a Samsung one, you have One UI. If you're using Vivo, Realme or Oppo, then you have ColorOS. And if you are using OnePlus phone, then you have Oxygen OS. But if you're not aware, then recently OnePlus also switched to their ColorOS because they basically let go of their Oxygen OS software on their OnePlus 11 Pro. And there is another phone called Redmi which runs on MIUI, right? So basically all these manufacturers use Android, but obviously a different operating system by given their own company's name or whatever else. Now depending upon whichever phone you use, or from in this case whatever launcher you use, the process to hide applications is going to vary. So just because I show in my way that this is the way does not mean the way is same on your own device as well, because Androids are actually quite complicated rather than iPhone, because where everything else is the same, all the ecosystem is going to match, but on Android that's not how it actually works. On my Samsung though, which is my One UI, basically you can see my app drawers, right? I'm using the default launcher. I'm not using third-party Nova launcher or Niagara launcher or whatever else. In this case, I'll just tap on the three dots here and then go to settings, and then once I go to settings, I'll scroll down here. I'll find the option called hide apps on homes and home screens. Over here I'll just select the applications that I actually want to hide. So let's say I want to hide WhatsApp. I'll just select WhatsApp and it will be show up over here. Then tap on done button. Then once I basically tap on done, you can see WhatsApp has basically been hidden from my app list. Now if I want to get it back in it, I have to swipe, tap on the three dots, go to settings, scroll, go to hide apps, then just unhide it, then tap on done over here, and the app will be basically unhid as well. And that's how you can hide apps on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.